Hi there and welcome to Crush It. Today we're going to try and crush 21 Duracell batteries. Let's see what happens when we crush it. It gave quite a cool explosion. Now on my first crushing a battery video there was so many comments saying,
"Don't touch the acid, it's an acid, no, it's an alkaline, no, it's an acid, you're gonna die, you're gonna die."
Well, ta-da, gloves. So, I've added some of the ones that escaped. I'm gonna try and crush the remaining batteries. Wow, yeah, that's disgusting. Loads of squash batteries, but that blue stuff, acid or alkaline, no debate in the comments. They're really warm. Each single one is very, very warm. It's flattened, pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next video.